Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you see by the title, we're doing an office tour. So I'm about to show you guys. Never mind, I've been sweating. It's hot in here, but I'm about to show you guys my supplies I got for my office. So let's start with this. I have this organizer from Walmart. Of course, Target. From Target, I got this webcam for my computer. Also from Target, I got a fan because it's hot in here, y'all. Like, I brought these from home. So I got this dry erase board because I'm gonna put like a message, like a positive message on there every day. I got some office supply kit that came with the push pins, paper clips, and the other little binder clips. I got some pens that I already opened. I got some more cute pens from Walmart. I got a flash drive. I got some sticky notes. I got some tape. I got this planner. Got a notepad. Another book for notes. And then another book for notes. And then I got this little thing that I'm gonna put these in. So yeah, that's what I got so far. I don't have any pictures. This stuff right here, they left for me. And then that picture right there, I'm probably gonna get some stuff to go on that wall or whatever. And of course, over here. And the good thing is they already have like clips already on the wall for me. So I'm just gonna like hang stuff up like that. But y'all, I got my own office. I got my own office, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to put this stuff up and I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like once I'm done. So this is my desk before I start putting stuff together. I did it. Hey guys, so it is currently 11:10. I go to lunch at 12. So for lunch, I gotta run back to Target because I need to get a speaker and a headset because apparently this computer doesn't have a speaker. So yeah, I really ain't been doing nothing, just trying to fill out like my direct deposit form and my W-4, W-2s, whatever form, tax forms and stuff. So yeah, I just really been sitting here. My first client is at 1 after lunch. So yeah, I'll just update you guys as time goes on. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from lunch. I should have vlogged when I went to lunch, but I was on the phone. So I went to Best Buy and I got me a headset and I got me some McDonald's, and it is 12:48 and my first client is at 1 o'clock. So I'm about to hurry up and eat and get my little stuff together, stuff that I need. And yeah, I'll see y'all after the call. Wish me luck.
Hey y'all, so I really couldn't record much because y'all, it's only day one. Okay, I had 3 clients, well, 3 patients, but I had 4 appointments, but only 3 showed up. So whew, baby, y'all, it was so fun. It was fun, but at the same time it was nerve-wracking because, for one, it was playing in the back of my mind like I got these people lives in my hands. Like whatever I say, like verbally, is like, y'all, I was so nervous. Like I will pour and sweat. My underarms, baby, sweaty, okay? But I didn't get to finish all my notes. I only started 1 person because my sessions are for 60 minutes. And my first session went over, I think it was like 63 minutes. So that put my second one like a little bit behind. And then the third one I didn't have because I had one at 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the 3 o'clock didn't show up. So when the 3 o'clock didn't show up, I was putting in notes from the 1 o'clock. And I didn't get to do the 2 o'clock one yet. But now I see how they say you could get real behind with notes, especially because I'm only seeing 4 people a day because I'm just starting out. This other lady said that she see 11 people a day. Now, my work schedule say 8:30 to 5. So my last patient was getting up there. I had looking at the clock. I had to wrap it up now. I got to go because I do got to get my son by 6, but it's not an hour away. But I'm in that mentality like 5 o'clock. I'm ready to go, okay? But I wasn't like rushing her or nothing like that. It was just like I kept seeing the clock and it was like 5. But I could have stayed a little bit after, but she was just pretty much wrapping up what she was saying anyway. But I think I'm really gonna like this. Like I just have to get all my like treatments and like I have to put my words into like more clear of sentences when I'm trying to explain like a treatment or something like that. And also I'm probably tonight when I get home, I'm probably gonna look up some ways of dictating when it comes to therapy and stuff like that, because how I like to type how I talk sometimes, and I don't be wanting to put too much in there or not put enough in there, if that makes sense, because they said sometimes they could reject the note and you don't get paid for it. And baby, we getting paid for everything over here, okay? So I want to make sure that I do everything right. And it's me and another lady. She's been doing it for a long time. I actually shadowed her on Friday, and she was able to show me what to do when it came to like the system and stuff like that. But once I do it multiple times, then I'll be able to get it. But other than that, y'all, my first day went great. It was a little boring from 8 to pretty much 11 because I decorated the office. Well, not even decorated, I just put the stuff up